How to get Zepto referral code. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get Zepto referral code. Firstly, open any of your preferred web browser. On the web browser, go to the search bar on the top. Now search for gravon.com. Now you will land to the official website like this. At the top right corner, you should see a search icon. Tap on the search icon. Now search for Zepto. After typing in Zepto, search for it. On the result page, you should see all the coupons and promo codes that are available for Zepto. Just scroll down to see more offers. As you can see, all of them are verified. If you want the code, then click on Show Details. After that, you will be able to copy the code and paste it in the desired section. By copying and pasting the promo code or coupon codes, you will get discounts. These are promotional offers provided by Zepto and a quick commerce platform for grocery and essential deliveries. These codes can be applied during checkout to receive various benefits. When checking out, if you apply these promo codes or coupon codes, you will get discounts, free delivery, cashback offers, or special deals. If you are ordering for the first time, then you will get discounts. On the Zepto checkout section, you should see a promo code or apply coupon section. Type in your coupon code and select apply. Once your coupon code verifies, then you will get the discount. Using these codes can help save money and enhance your shopping experience. That's all for today. Thank you.